Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to show you one of the recipes which most of the people are fond of and most searched, which is called chicken lollipop. It's a quick appetizer when you have an unexpected guest at your place. So let's get started.
Take 6 to 8 pieces of chicken lollipop, 1 egg, take a bowl of ginger garlic paste, salt, refined flour, corn flour, spring onion, chopped ginger, garlic and chili, black pepper, red chili powder, red chili sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, soya, tomato ketchup. First take the chicken wings with good quantity of meat such that it won't absorb much oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of refined flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, add some salt, add 1 egg white and yolk, mix them well, add some water to it, mix it well. Keep it aside for few minutes. Now take a fry pan, add some oil to it, wait till oil gets heated up. Now drop the marinated chicken lollipop in hot oil. Always do this in a low flame such that chicken cooks well from inside. Now you can see the chicken turns into golden in color. Do not add more pieces of chicken at a time because pieces stick together. Now you can see it's almost ready. Now take them into a separate bowl once fried chicken is ready.
Now we are going to the next step. We'll show you how to toss for chicken lollipop.
Now take a fry pan, add some oil to it, then add finely chopped ginger, add some garlic, green chili, some chopped onion. Now stir them for some time. Now add some water to it. Now add some 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half tablespoon of chili sauce, half tablespoon of green chili sauce, add some soya sauce, vinegar, stir them well. Now once your lollipop gravy is ready, add some salt to it, add red chili powder, add white pepper, mix them well. Now drop the fried chicken into the sauce. Now stir them well such that lollipop sauce will be absorbed by the fried chicken. Always make sure the proportion of chicken wings with lollipop sauce is identically good enough. Now you can see every piece of chicken wing to the sauce is equally spread. Now garnish with coriander and spring onions. Now you can see yummy chicken lollipop are ready. Hope you cook as per our recipe, and if you like our video, please subscribe and share.